And up close and personal mein, I have a very special guest today who happens to be a friend of mine as well, and we've been trying to get her on the show for a very long time. Unka naam hai Shazray Hussain. She is the CEO of Ensemble. Welcome to the show.
Thank you so much, Raja.
How are you doing?
Very well, good to be here.
Good. So Shazray, I'd like to tell people a little about you before we begin, you know. So Shazray is actually, it's her mum and it's her sister, and just the three of them are doing such an incredible job. Agar aap logon ne Xanders dekha hai aur wo pura multi-store brand dekha hai where you know Ensemble is as well, and it's just amazing how Shazray has, you know, transpired her journey from an investment banker into the fashion industry, and how is it that she's making a change as a multi-store brand that Ensemble is, the House of Ensemble. So she's going to tell us about how to build a brand, how to sell a product, and how to make your mark in the industry, basically. Right, so
that's a very tall order. I think आपने कुछ ज़्यादा ही तारीफ कर दी है.
No, of course. No, but it's,
ज़्यादा ही इस पे तारीफ कर दी.
We are very humble about it. So, you know, Shazray, what really inspired you to start Ensemble?
So, I think the story which most बहुत ज़्यादा लोग नहीं जानते हैं is कि initially my sister and my mother were the you know, they started it. My sister and I went to college at the same time. हमें age gap है, but I was here. I mean, incidentally, I was working as a journalist. I took some time off, and then you know, I went to law school in England. So my degree was in law, and my sister's degree was in fashion marketing, which is something जो बहुत सारे लोग यहाँ नहीं करते, यहाँ options नहीं. And जब वो degree कर रही थी, so at that point, during that phase, we actually ended up going to India for a short vacation. My parents had, you know, have a few friends there, so on. And वहाँ we saw the concept of a multi-brand store. उससे पहले fashion में यहाँ retail में दो options होते थे. This is before Dolmen or retail shops and stores and so on. उसमें होता ये था कि जी या तो आप किसी designer के पास जाएं और कहें कि जी मुझे ये चीज़ बना दो, और वो कहता था जी 6 हफ्ते या 2 महीने में बनेगा, या फिर आप loan लें और आपका दर्जी उसको stitch कर दे. एक concept कि आप एक store में जाएं, एक designer outfit खरीद लें और उसी शाम पहन लें, वो exist ही नहीं करता था. हमने इंडिया में देखा. Shehnaz, my sister, was doing her degree, and she was, you know, options थे to come back, work with an FMCG, and she said, मैं साबुन और बनास्पति घी तो बिल्कुल नहीं बेचूंगी, right? So she got really interested in this, and she said, you know, I want to do this, and that's how the idea for Ensemble was born. And शुरू में, I mean, I was working in Pakistan with an investment bank, this thing, you know, it was an affiliate with a foreign bank, and my plan was very clear. मैंने 2-3 साल यहाँ काम करना है, फिर बाहर अपने MBA के लिए जाना है, और फिर that, you know, Pakistani journey, right? Like यहाँ से वो this thing. And at that point, you know, I think वो एक entrepreneur का bug होता है. हम सब में होता है कहीं ना कहीं, because होता है अपना business करना चाहिए या अपना this thing. I got a little involved with it, right? पहले तो मैं उनकी literally वो खेपिया थी कि जी वो कहीं जा रहे हैं, मैं पीछे साथ मुझे लेके जा रहे हैं luggage extra miles के लिए, या मैं उनके लिए Excel sheet पे हिसाब कर रही हूँ. And slowly, I think not only did the bug bite me, but I actually fell in love with the project and the product. So I clearly remember मैंने apply किया था to quite a few American like business schools and so on. And I remember one day, and during that time, you know, there was a gap. There was about a 9-month period. So my mother said, "Okay, why don't you on some के साथ work, get a few of our systems in order in terms of finance and operations and so on. और फिर तुम तो अगले August चली जाओगी, because मेरा GMAT हो गया था, applications चली गई थी." And I remember being parked outside Ensemble, where it currently is on East Street, and sobbing. And I was like, you know, the way people are like, you know, how can I go to work without leaving my child at home? It was like, मैं इसको कैसे छोड़ के जा सकती हूँ? And that was truly that entrepreneurial this thing. But it's been, I think my Ensemble itself is 17, so we are a teenager, 17 years old, mashallah say. I've been with them for the last 15 years full time, and so it's been quite an interesting journey.
It really has. We're talking to Shazray about, you know, her transition in her life, and how is it that वो creativity के साथ और business understanding की तरह House of Ensemble को चला रही हैं. Before going for break हम यही बात कर रहे थे कि यहाँ पे multi designer fashion stores बहुत कम हैं, and what was her inspiration, and we were talking about
So the brainchild Ensemble का जो idea था पाकिस्तान में was my sister Shehnaz's. We travelled to India, as I mentioned, and there a multi-brand exists. Also by the name of Ensemble, it's actually owned by a dear friend of my mother's, Tarun Tiliani, who's a very famous designer. And you know, when we were setting up the store here, we came up with a lot of names like Libas, Poshak, I remember. They just didn't fit well, and we thought about Ensemble, and I remember her messaging him and saying, you know, because of the trades between the two countries, आप शायद यहाँ स्टोर नहीं खोलेंगे, but do you mind if we borrow the name? He said, please go ahead. And for the longest, we were stalking him. अब currency exchange की वजह से, we've taken a short pause on it. But you know, whether it's that or whether it's Browns in England, there are so many multi-brands multi-brands. I mean, you know, globally, Joseph's again started as a multi-brand. In fact, you know, we always align ourselves with Joseph's in abroad because they have a strong multi-brand and now an equally strong in-house line, which we do have by the name of Shehnaz. So I think, you know, that's something. So again, as I say, I look after the business side of Ensemble. I often joke that I'm the most uncreative person in a creative field. The creativity is left more to my mother and my sister.
Yeah, but I think you bring your own aspect to it. You're more of a number person.
I'm a numbers person. Numbers talk to me. I love numbers. I'm like one of those geeks who love maths. So every time my kids get maths homework.
From Excel sheets, you're the CEO.
Yeah, no, it's from Excel sheets to maths homework. So every time they bring maths homework, my eyes light up. But if science ka leke aate hain, I was like, ye samajh nahi aa rahi, but talk to me about maths. Yes, absolutely.
I love that. I love that. So, you know, Shazra, you know, considering we were talking about challenges, bhi bahut hote hain Pakistan ke market mein, you know, a lot of people don't want to pay so much money and the consumers would actually want to maybe buy replicas, right? So how do you deal with challenges like that?
देखिए, to be very honest, Ensemble is known for its quality. अगर हमें लगे कि जी कोई भी brand किसी का copy रख रहा है, we will never stock it. So we go through a very, हमारा एक पूरा merchandise और brand department है. So we make sure कि we don't do that, and that's a slightly different market. देखिए, fashion, the way I look at it is आपकी budget या आपकी maybe body size उससे you know, constraint नहीं होता, because हर चीज़ है, वरना तो आपका जैसे TikTok आ गया, अब इतनी चीज़ें आ गई हैं, street fashion है, I mean started off with Harajuku district, but there's so much that is even being done here. You know, कई दफ़ा Shehnaz and I wonders, हम winter में देखते हैं, अपने staff को भी देखते हैं, sometimes the looks they've put together now, wherever, you know, they've bought stuff, whether it's thrift stores यहाँ इतने exist नहीं करते, but it's really put together and it's really impressive. So, you know, I think जो सबसे बड़ी चीज़ यहाँ ये है कि replicas का, so that we don't deal with. We've had cases in the past where एक brand ने दूसरी की बिल्कुल छापा किया है, and we've had to ask them to, you know, withdraw their stock, you know, so that's something which we are very, because हम अगर किसी की चीज़ें रख रहे हैं, that's, you know, as an amanat, our job is to showcase the brand, highlight it, promote it, encourage people to buy it, right? So quality really matters on it. मैं आपको एक interesting बात बताऊं, रिजा, आजकल cost of production इतनी high हो गई है, in terms of fabric, in terms of, you know, wages, in terms of utility bills like electricity and so on.
Yeah, and running the retail store itself.
बिल्कुल, बिल्कुल. So at times नहीं, but अगर मैं designer की तरफ से भी बात करूँ, because of production का मेरा एक experience है, इतना आपको जो replica आपको लगता है, वो आपको इतना सस्ता नहीं मिलता. कई दफ़ा आपको original भी जो चीज़ है, और उसमें 19-20 का फ़र्क होता है. कुछ चीज़ें बहुत होती हैं महंगी, I guess उनका goodwill है, brand है, luxury है. Every brand positions themselves in a different way. But I think अब बहुत एक reassuring चीज़ हमारे, you know, we started in 2007. उसके बाद अब अगर आप किसी भी मॉल में चले जाएं, यहाँ डॉलमिन चले जाएं, you know, लाहौर में वो निशात लिस्टिंग चले जाएं, you have a lot of brands now, high street brands, you know, who are producing stuff, and they're producing some really good stuff. So people have middle class onwards, there are options, you know, कि आपको budget में आपको बहुत सारी चीज़ें मिल जाती हैं, आपको fake नहीं खरीदना चाहिए फिर.
I agree. And Shazra, considering कि अभी ईद आने वाली है, so you know Ramzan souk is going to happen as well.
Absolutely.
So हम लोग किस तरह की audience को target कर रहे हैं, किस तरह के कपड़े लग रहे हैं हमें?
देखिए,
and what does the Pakistan audience really want? What do you feel? What do you understand?
So, you know, I mean, again, my sister and I are both majorly ideas people, right? We say if all of this, you know, we should just retire and open a strategy company. That's what our joke is, right? But you know, souk is something we've been doing in Dubai for the last 7 years, our store over there. So what happens is, और हमने जैसे दुबई में देखा है, साल में 2 से 3 मरतबा हम एक होटल में स्पेस लेते हैं, वहाँ हमारे पास 60 से 70 इंडियन एंड पाकिस्तानी डिजाइनर्स होते हैं जो कपड़े, ज्वेलरी, होम एक्सेसरीज, शूज वगैरह लेते हैं.
Jewelry as well.
Absolutely, like, you know, predominantly artificial, but you know, jewelry वो लेते हैं, and लोगों के लिए एक outing होती है, वो औरतें आती हैं Saturday को, वो आएंगी, वो you know घूमेंगी, अपनी वो shopping करेंगी, एक दूसरे से मिलेंगी, शायद करीब कहीं lunch करेंगी. It's a great day out. And at some point, you know, यहाँ I know bazaars वगैरह so on, we are very fascinated with that. We are very fascinated with Ramzan. Again, you know, it's something which we really look forward to. हमारा for the longest logo था Ease for Eid and Ease for Ensemble, right? So हमने store में space थोड़ा limited हो जाती है. Again, हमारे regular designers हैं जिनको हम stock कर रहे हैं. So we came up with this idea of the Ensemble souk, जो 15th March को Avenue 105 जो Clifton Boating Basin में उसमें हो रहा है. हमारे पास almost 90 brands हैं. 15th March को हो रहा है next Saturday at Avenue 105 कराची में. It's Clifton, very centrally located. हमारे पास almost 90 brands हैं जो वहाँ अपनी चीज़ें showcase करेंगी. As I mentioned, you know, Ensemble जो retail store है उसमें fixed brands हैं who are stocking there, उनकी नई ईद collections है, so on. This is separate from that. इस पे जो हम audience पैन कराची कर रहे हैं, आई एम श्योर नियर बाय टाउन्स हैदराबाद वगैरह से भी लोग आते हैं, बिकॉज ईद का जोड़ा जो है वो एक बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट फैशन डिसीजन होता है एक एवरेज पाकिस्तानी खातून के लिए, राइट? इट्स अगेन बहुत ज़्यादा बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट। एंड हमारा द वे आई लुक एट इट इज कि जी पाकिस्तान में 3 फैशन सीजन्स होते हैं, ईद, लॉन और शादी, राइट? और ये 3 दफ़ा है जब औरतें एक्चुअली अपने आउटफिट्स बहुत सीरियसली, सो लॉन के साथ एक फ़र्क होता है ईद का। और अब गर्मियाँ आ रही हैं कुछ एरियाज़ में, अभी भी आई थिंक अप नॉर्थ वेदर प्लेजेंट है, बट ईद के लिए सो यहाँ हमारे पास 90 ब्रांड्स हैं। इनमें ब्रांड्स कुछ तो इस्टेब्लिश्ड फैशन ब्रांड्स हैं जो अगेन मे बी कुछ हमारे साथ स्टॉक करती हैं, कुछ नहीं करती, बट उनको एक वाइडर ऑडियंस चाहिए। कुछ small home organically grown brands which are working out of home, small cottage industry जिसको जैसे कहते हैं, वो औरतें हैं जिनको एक प्लेटफॉर्म चाहिए। तो यहाँ and it's going to be a great day out, टाइमिंग्स दोपहर 2 बजे से रात 1 बजे तक है, तो which means कि दोपहर में किसी ने आना है इफ्तारी से पहले अपनी शॉपिंग वगैरह करनी है, that's something, और इफ्तार के बाद there'll be some fantastic food stalls over there, there'll be इस तरह की चीज़ें। So आप अपनी फैमिली के साथ आएं।
Shazray, how, I mean, let's say if I'm a home based brand और मैं अगर स्टॉक करना
सबसे पहले तो जी स्लाइड इनटू आवर डीएम्स, इंस्टाग्राम, सो ऑन, फेसबुक पे मैसेज करते हैं। वी आल्सो हैव डिजाइनर ओपन हाउसेस एंड वी हैव होस्टेड देम इन कराची एंड लाहौर, सो अ लॉट ऑफ ब्रांड्स
approach you guys,
approach us through that. They take appointments, they come. Again, as I said, we have an active merchandise and brand departments which are actually headed by my sister, so they set through these meetings and हम उनको advise करते हैं। Again, अगर कोई ऐसा brand है जो अभी establish होना है, जो नया है, उनको थोड़े से माइलस्टोन्स मीट करने हैं, सो वी सजेस्ट कि जी आप पहले सूख में कर लें। इससे आपको एक कॉन्फिडेंस आ जाएगा, आपका हाथ साफ हो जाएगा, आपको एक आदत हो जाएगी, आप अंडरस्टैंडिंग हो जाएगी जी साइजेस की, प्राइसिंग की, आपको किस तरह का प्रोडक्ट आपकी मार्केट चाहिए ऑडियंस को, so on and so forth.
How lovely. So you guys actually consult and help
absolutely
the brands as
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल। एंड देखिए again it's one industry, I mean it's एक responsibility भी आपकी होती है, so we do that. अगर कोई ऐसी ब्रांड है जिसका again maybe smaller collections है, capsule collections, more curated, we may directly bring them on board to Ensemble. Thirdly, जो हमारे different stores हैं कराची, लाहौर, इस्लामाबाद and Dubai, each have a very different audience in terms of buyers and also very different style thing. जैसे मैंने आपको पहले भी कहा कि मैं आपको बता रही थी कि कराची में हमारा ड्रेसिंग सेंस, हमारा स्टाइल थोड़ा फ़र्क होगा, लाहौर में थोड़ा फ़र्क, इस्लामाबाद में उससे भी फ़र्क, और दुबई वगैरह में।
How does it differ usually? Is Lahore and Islamabad more festive? Is Karachi a lot more lifestyle based dressing?
Karachi is more lifestyle based dressing. So for example, in winter, हमारे पास we have pop-ups with athleisure that does really well with us.
Quad suits?
Quad suits. Throughout the year, quad suits do very well. Athleisure does well. A lot of dinner wear does well with us. Lahore, I mean again, Punjab is more shauqeen. They have a different thing. But छोटी-छोटी nuances होती हैं which we discover with time. For example, ना जैसे मैंने अभी वाइट पैंट्स और एक कुर्ता पहना हुआ है, ये बहुत सारी प्रोफेशनल औरतों का इन अ वे आउट यूनिफॉर्म है इन पाकिस्तान थ्रू आउट द इन कराची थ्रू आउट द ईयर। इन लाहौर फॉर एग्जांपल आपको पता है अप नॉर्थ जब सर्दियां शुरू हो जाती हैं तो वो वाइट पैंट्स नहीं पहनेंगी, देन इट विल बिकम सेम दिस थिंग। फैब्रिक का फर्क होता है, हम सर्दियों में लिनन पहन लेंगे, साथ स्कार्फ या शॉल ले लेंगे, कराची में वी आर गुड टू गो। वहाँ फिर जैसे मरीना होता है, वहाँ ज़्यादा थिकर फैब्रिक्स होते हैं, वेलवेट डज वेल ओवर देयर, वेलवेट डज वेरी वेल ओवर देयर, वेलवेट इज लाइक अ स्टेपल इन देयर वार्डरोब स्पेशली फॉर विंटर वेडिंग्स।
और हम कराची की औरतें वेलवेट नहीं बनाती कि यार 4 दिन की
सर्दी एक दफा पहना जाएगा, तो सबकी वार्डरोब में एक वेलवेट का जोड़ा टंगा हुआ है जो साल वो हम निकाल लेते हैं जिससे बहुत सर्दी है, राइट? बट अदरवाइज उनके लिए तो वेलवेट बहुत है। शॉल जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल वो शॉलों के ज्यादा शौकीन है, उनको समझ भी शॉलों की ज्यादा है बिकॉज वो पहना ज्यादा जाता है,
और शॉलें बिकती भी ज्यादा है।
एब्सोल्युटली जी, जिस चीज की आपको ज्यादा आदत हो जाए आपको इस चीज के लिए ज्यादा होता है। तो गोइंग बैक टू इट, सूख हमारा एफर्ट है टू इनकरेज न्यू ब्रांड्स कि वो आए, अपनी शोकेस करें कलेक्शंस, टू इनकरेज कस्टमर्स एज वेल कि आपको इतनी वैरायटी यहाँ मिल रही है जो आपको किसी और प्लेटफॉर्म में कराची शहर में रमजान में नहीं मिलेगी। तो आप प्लीज 15 को आएँ, मे बी पोस्ट अफ्तार ड्रैग योर बेटर हाफ्स, टेल देम कि आपको शॉपिंग लेके जाएं, आप खुद आएं। I think it's very and it'll be a great, it'll be a fun day out.
Of course,
treat yourself.
And there's food as well.
There's absolutely after iftar the coffee is good. They have some excellent desi options. I mean it's going to be fun.
So, you know, it's amazing, Shazray, when I see you and I know your journey personally as well. You're a mum as well, and you're an active mother. You know what your kids
I think that, to be very honest, is my biggest career calling. So, you know, I mean, I think I'm a mum first, and everything else comes secondary.
But you do everything so beautifully. And I know that you're all, you know, you're heading all these parent groups as well. And, you know, you're so driven by your community aspects as well. How do you manage all of this? Kitni aurtein hain jo aapko dekh ke, you know, seekhna chahti?
I think you're being very kind right now, and I'm getting very embarrassed. Absolutely.
No, but because look, you're handling so many arenas beautifully. और हम रमजान में यही डिस्कस करना चाह रहे हैं कि आप काम भी संभालो, आप अपने बच्चों की ज़िंदगी में बाकायदा दिलचस्पी इस तरीके से लो कि आपको पता है कि आपके बेटे ने टोमेटो एंड बेसिल बनाया कल, राइट?
नहीं, उसने रिक्वेस्ट डाली, उसको क्यूरोसिटी थी, नवाब साहब ने रिक्वेस्ट डाली, टमाटो, बासिल एंड ऑलिव ऑयल, और फिर उसके बाद वो उसका वो पास्ता बना. But I think no, there was
you're
curiosity.
doing all of this. How do you do that?
You know, honestly, I think I've been very blessed.
And still look good, right? While doing it.
No. Dekhiye, looking good is a big question. I'm still the same person who in her mid-40s actually has to yell upstairs. I live with my parents. Yeah. So, you know, I say, Ammi, main aaj kaun sa kurta pehnu? Right? So that's one thing. Yeah, it's again one of those, right? Like my sister. No, the day my sister cleans out her wardrobe is my biggest fashion like purchase season. You know? So that's that, right? But I feel, dekhiye, community gives you strength. About almost 3.5 years ago, I lost my husband. So I think for my children and me, the community, the friends and family network that we have really pulls through for us. And I think, again, we are all essentially, community leads to continuity. So I feel I'm very blessed. I'm very blessed. I have a lot of strong women. I mean, you're a great friend. You know, there's so many of you who are inspirations. And again, I think hum sab, you know, मेरा ये really मानना है कि हर औरत को कुछ ना कुछ करना ज़रूरी चाहिए. I know कल Women's Day था, but हर औरत को काम करना बहुत ज़रूरी है. My mother, after she put us through college, went back to work. So she, mashallah, runs her own production unit in Kurangi.
So hands-on.
Yeah, she's amazing. So she is co-parenting my children. She is running her production unit in Kurangi. And, you know, I mean, this morning when I woke up, a thing was, New York mein ye ho raha tha, and you know, she had like, you know, had an exhibition going on. So that is an inspiration, you know. I mean, I hope that we are as active in our 60s. But I feel in terms of not just, you know, I have most of my friends work. I feel like not only does it, in these times which are tough financially, they're challenging, it adds to the household income, it gives you a better life. But I think it's also so important for mental health and self-esteem. You're also setting an example for your coming generation. So your son will not expect somebody who will wait hand and foot on him, and your daughter will know that she can manage this too. Ramzan is that, right? Ramzan mein cheezein chaotic hoti hain, manic hoti hain, but jab tak sab effortic pura ghar karke put stuff together for iftari, you know, sehri koi karwa raha hai, koi aur kuch responsibility le raha hai, shared responsibility. And I think Pakistan mein ek jo hamara sabse bada strength is community. In Ensemble, again, as we say, we are part of the fashion community. We're a community hub. So you could be a brand, and I think it's, again, Shahnaz and I take it with a lot of pride. There are a lot of brands who we launched, who we discovered. Kisi ne kaha, kisi dost ne, oh, wo bahut अच्छे कपड़े बनाती हैं, उनको जाके देख लो. हम गिरते उनके वहाँ पहुँच गए, उनसे कहा आप प्लीज स्टॉक करते हुए. Now they are major fashion houses, and I mean, there are so many examples of that. Amazing. And some of these, you know, women start घर से, किसी के बेसमेंट में 2 दर्जी बैठे हुए हैं, किसी ने कुछ कहाँ से शुरू किया है. इसमें ना कोई एज का है. Again, as I said, my mother started working after we were done with college. ना एज का है, resources ka nahi hai.
She's still so hands-on with the business. She's still heading and spearheading the whole
thing. Absolutely. But I think, again, as I said, I'm very blessed. I come from a network of very strong women. I mean, my eldest aunt is almost 80 and she was working till, you know, recently. So, you know, I think that really gives you gives you nourishment. It gives you it nourishes your soul. It essentially gives you encouragement. It's like, you know, if I can, you know, if they can do this, so can I.
So can I.
And I think
good examples.
Absolutely. And I think with women, I see so many in the Ensemble journey or the Ensemble family, as we call it. You know, again, किसी ने बहुत छोटे से शुरू किया, they've grown. Somebody had to. COVID was challenging. Some people downsized, but it's always refreshing. You know, they come up with ideas. There are some who will still call for a conversation, saying, okay, so, you know, ab ye season aa raha hai, main kya bheju? You know, they'll have these conversations. It's amazing. Home brands, again, home accessories. So there's a lot. I think, you know, again, as I said, just as long as we are making that effort, whether you know, एक औरत घर से
कर रही
अगर
है
घर से वो ब्राउनीज बना के बेच रही है, या वो कपड़े कर रही है, या वो
कुछ
tutoring
कर
कर रही है, कुछ कर रही है, कुछ contribution कर रही है, and I can guarantee you this. I mean, I'm not a soothsayer, but you know, I can guarantee you this. आपकी future generations पे, आपके household पे इसका एक बहुत ही positive impact पड़ेगा.
Shazray, that is such a beautiful message to leave us with. And you know, you yourself are an example as well of how you're managing multiple things and wearing multiple hats and still doing such a good job at it.
Thank you
And
so
I'm
much.
sure
I think we're all like struggling. Yes, absolutely.
Absolutely. Thank you so much for being
Thank you
here.
so
I
much for
really
having
loved
me.
it
It's
and
been a
wishing you
pleasure.
all the best. You can tell us about the Ramzan Souk again.
Please do drop by the Ramadan Souk on 15th of March, Saturday, next Saturday. It's at Avenue 105, Clifton, Karachi. And I'm sure you'll find the Eid outfit of your dreams over there, along with some post-iftar yummy treats.
Yum, got it. All right. Thank you so much for being here, Shazray.
Thank you so much for having me.
Absolutely loved having you.